Well, here's a rough Stihl blower, but the person I got it from said it came from a landscape company and it ran good even though it's in rough shape when he got it, but it's been sitting for a little while and he wasn't able to get it started or get it running. So I told him I'd take a look at it. One of the straps missing, the pad's missing. It's not pretty, but it'll work for him if I can get it going. So I'll show you the steps I take to get a piece of equipment that's been sitting around running, what to look for, and how to fix it. Let's do it. Since I know this has been sitting and the gas that's in here has been sitting with it, and there's not much in there, but what's in there I'm going to dump out so we can get a fresh start. If you got bad gas in there, you got water in there, whatever, you got problems. I wonder if that's even mixed. There wasn't much in there. And we'll put some fresh in. Of course, you know, never to run straight gas in a 2-cycle engine. You'll burn up the piston and cylinder wall, and the engine will be ruined. All right. Next thing, I just want to check the air filter. And actually, I'm going to try to start it without the air filter on. Clean that up a little bit. So let's go ahead and put the choke on, give it a few pulls, and see what it does. Here's choke, choke off, choke on. Here's your idle adjustment screw here. And then we've got, there's an H here and an L here. This is the low side fuel adjustment screw. And then the high side's over here. First thing I'm going to do is just gently pull this and see if we've got compression. And we do. It's not great, but it's not ruined. If this rope pulls real easy, you don't feel resistance, then you know your engine's probably shot. That's not the case here, so we'll go ahead and try to start it. Oh, a little kick there. How about that? Well, it's not throttling up too good. What I'm going to do is adjust the low side. Just turn it maybe a quarter turn. See if that helps. Well, it doesn't get much easier than that. Sometimes all it takes is a little adjustment to the low side. If the engine won't start or it bogs down, you just want to turn this. If it's bogging down, you turn the low side, which is the one closest to the engine, a quarter turn, maybe a half turn, and see if that'll fix your problem. She's running good, so I can give it back to him. If this video is a help to you, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. And I look forward to helping you with other projects online.